Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to access the Issues Online e-resource on and off campus. On the Library Canvas page, scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals page, just scroll down until you find the Issues Online logo and click on that. Now on the Issues Online page, just click on the logo to access this e-resource. You will now find yourself on the Issues Online main page. To log in to access this e-resource, just click on the Login button on the top right of the page. Now on the following page, you'll be asked for your username and password. You will find these details on the written guide for Issues Online. Just enter in these details and then click on the Login button to complete the process to access Issues Online on and off campus.